Hello everyone, welcome to my channel eGrammar and R Tutorials. Now in this video we are going to see figure of speech simile. Now in this video we are going to cover its definition, फिर उसके explanation रहेगा, फिर उसके कुछ examples रहेंगे. इस सब चीज़ों के बारे में हम इस वीडियो में थोड़ा डिटेल में बात करने वाले हैं. तो सबसे पहले देखते हैं सिमिली के इंट्रोडक्शन के बारे में. एक तरीके की एक डेफिनेशन हो गई है. A simile is a figure of speech that makes a direct comparison between two different things using the word like or as. ये जो दो words है like और as, इनका यूज करने के बाद मतलब करते हैं हम, और फिर उस सेंटेंस में किसी क्वालिटी को किसी कैरेक्टर की क्वालिटी को दूसरे कैरेक्टर की क्वालिटी से हम कंपेयर करते हैं, तो उस वक्त उसे कहा जाता है सिमिली. Like or as, to highlight a shared quality or characteristics. It is used to create vivid and relatable image in the reader's or listener's mind by comparing something unfamiliar to something familiar. कुछ ऐसी चीज़ है जो अनफेमिलियर है हमारे लिए, उसको कंपेयर करते हैं जो हमारे साथ फेमिलियर है, जिसको हम जानते हैं. ऐसे Similes help to convey emotion, ideas or situation in a more creative or intensified way. अब डेफिनेशन देखते हैं इन डिटेल में. डेफिनेशन के बारे में देखते हैं हम. A simile is comparison compares two distinct objects or ideas often drawn from different categories to emphasize a certain similarity. The key feature of simile is the use of comparative words like और as. ये जो दो वर्ड है ना, आपको एक ही ध्यान में रखना है कि इन दो वर्ड्स का ज़्यादातर यूज़ होता है सिमिलीज में, और दो चीज़ों में कंपैरिजन होता है. To link the two things being compared, for instance, when someone says her smile was like sunshine, they are comparing her smile to sunshine in terms of warmth or brightness. Understood? अब ये जो डेफिनेशन हमने देखी, उसके बाद उसके एक्सप्लेनेशन देखते हैं हम इन डिटेल्स में सिमिलीज के. सिमिलीज आर यूज्ड एक्सटेंसिवली इन लिटरेचर. ज़्यादातर यूज होता है लिटरेचर में, पोएट्री एंड एवरीडे लैंग्वेज टू क्रिएट मोर evocating descriptions and paint a clear picture for the audience. Here's why similes are effective. अब effective क्यों है उसके कुछ पॉइंट्स मैंने निकाल के रखे. देखिए, enhance imagery. By making a direct comparison, similes help the listener or reader to visualize the comparison, adding depth to the description. For example, he was as brave as a lion allows the audience to imagine courage in a more concrete, recognizable form. Second होता है clarify complex idea. जो complex idea होते हैं उनको clarify करता है. जैसे कि sometimes abstract ideas or emotions are difficult to express clearly. A simile can offer a more accessible way of communicating these thoughts. For instance, her voice was as soft as whisper immediately conveys a sense of gentleness. यहाँ पे हमें gentleness दिखाई देता है. नेक्स्ट पार्ट देखते हैं. थर्ड, create emotional impact. The use of simile can also evoke emotions by comparing a subject to something that carries an emotional weight. The night was as dark as sorrow may evoke feelings of sadness or forbidding. फोर्थ है engage the audience. यहाँ पे ऑडियंस को engage किया जाता है. जैसे कि a well crafted simile draws attention and keeps the audience engaged by offering fresh perspective and helping to break down complex ideas into more relatable terms. Next, अब यहाँ पे हम देखेंगे उसके कुछ सिमिलीज के 50 एग्जाम्पल्स. Her eyes sparkled like diamonds. He is as brave as a lion. The baby was as cute as a button. She sings like an angel. He runs as fast as lightning. The water is as clear as crystal. Next, her skin was soft like silk. Sorry. The cake was as light as feather. His temper is as hot as a volcano. She danced like a leaf in the wind. The night was as dark as coal. His voice was as smooth as velvet. Next, he is as stubborn as a mule. The car is as cold as the hills. She is as gentle as a lamb. The room was as cold as ice. He fought like a tiger. The sky was as blue as the ocean. Next 50 sentence देखते हैं. She was as busy as a bee. His words cut like a knife. The ground was as dry as a bone. Her laughter was as sweet as honey. He stood as still as a statue. The house was as quiet as a graveyard. मतलब यहाँ पे as का like का रिपीटेडली जब यूज होता है उस सेंटेंस में, रिपीटेडली नहीं बोल सकते हम, जब उसको यूज किया जाता है तो हम बोल सकते हैं कि हाँ ठीक है, इसको किसी से कंपेयर कर रहे हैं हम, तो वहां पे सिमिली क्रिएट होती है. नेक्स्ट देखिए. She swims like a fish. The book was as boring as watching paint dry. His hands were as rough as sandpaper. The garden was as beautiful as a painting. Her mind is as sharp as a track. The child was as playful as a kitten. Next. He works like a machine. The road was as slippery as ice. Her hair is as black as coal. The mountain stood as tall as giant. The face turned as red as a tomato. She danced like nobody was watching. Next. The bed was as soft as cloud. His excuse was as thin as air. The teacher is as wise as an owl. Her tears flowed like a river. He acted like a bull in a chain shop. The music was as loud as thunder. Next. Her heart is as pure as gold. The exam was as easy as pie. His handwriting is as messy as a spider's web. She was as graceful as a swan. The car moved as slow as a snail. He is as tall as a tree. Next 50 sentence देखते हैं. Her perfume smelled as fresh as spring. And the last one, the news hits him like a ton of bricks. हम यहाँ पे 50 सेंटेंस देख चुके हैं. एक्चुअली ये नंबर्स की तरफ ध्यान मत देना. एक्चुअली हमने 50 सेंटेंस यहाँ पे देख लिए और काफ़ी यूज़फुल हो सकता है आपके लिए ये. और इससे रिलेटेड आप कुछ हिंदी में भी सेंटेंस देखिए ताकि आपको ये आइडिया क्लियर हो जाए कि ये एक्चुअली कैसे वर्क करता है. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.